I want to give you something to help you manage your social media presence. So the Facebook Business Suite is a great free tool for entrepreneurs, or honestly anybody who wants to take advantage of the analytics and data from their social platforms. You can not only look at your insights, data, and things like that for content you're posting on both Facebook and Instagram, but you can also schedule posts in advance and take a look at the ads and things like that you're running on your page. So stay tuned, and I'm going to give you a little bit more information about Facebook Business Suite. Once again, thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned for everything we have great to offer. For those of you that don't know, you are able to get to your Facebook Business Suite from your Facebook page. When you're on your Facebook page, you will see a banner that says Manage Your Page and Instagram Account Together in Business Suite. Click there. Once you get to your Business Suite page, you will be greeted by a Create Post area where you will click Create Post. Once you do that, you will see two different areas where you are allowed to post to, Instagram and Facebook. You will have a text box area where you can type in your text. You can go ahead and add different pictures, videos, links. And you can also add in the different feelings and emotions for just particularly Facebook posts. Now, one cool feature I love about this is the ability to schedule content. So if you click at the bottom and click schedule post, you can choose your date and time for when you want to schedule that post. So we're going to go ahead and click on schedule after I choose my date. Great. Awesome. So now we click schedule post, and then we will be taken to our post area, more specifically our schedule area within our post. You can locate this area by clicking on your left toolbar. So you have two different areas, published and scheduled. On your publish, you can see all the different content you schedule, as well as compare how the two content or how the two different platforms are doing per content. So, for example, you can take a look at this content here, and you see it performed like it did on Facebook, which is really good. That was a very great performance, but as you see right above it, it didn't do so well on Instagram. That's great. That's what this is for. You're supposed to be comparing to figure out what content your audience is looking for on each platform. And great. So if you want to see how it looks on each platform, more so in the feed view, you can click on feed and grid, and that shows you how it looks basically when they're scrolling on those pages. So on the left side, that's Facebook. On the right side, that is Instagram. Now, my favorite feature is the calendar feature. You click on that third tab, it shows your content in the calendar form. A lot of platforms pay for this feature, with it being able to show calendar format as well as show your analytics. So understand that Facebook Business Suite offers this for free. They show you your analytics as well as show your post in a calendar format, which is not usual. It's not common. So that's why I love this. That's why I'm showing you, so that you can take advantage of all these cool tools so that you can look at your analytics and your posting. Another cool thing is you can also change the time you are viewing for. So let's say if I want to view what I did in December, you will see that I can change that at the top, and I can see what post I did in December and how they performed. Okay, great. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to customize the columns. You don't have to choose the ones that I choose. You can set them up for whatever your campaign goal is. So if your goal is for engagement, you can choose just engagement, and it'll only show that content. Now, we're going to go to the activity tab. This tab here pretty much shows your current activities basically on Instagram and Facebook. mainly showing how people are interacting with your content currently. I like this because it's up to date and it shows you what's going on right now. Okay, great. And on that sidebar, you will also notice there's an inbox tab. There's 3 different basically inbox areas. You have the first one, which shows all your messages put together. You have and it's called all messages. That's basically them merged together in one inbox. Then you have the messages for Facebook, then DM or little triangle for Instagram. And you also have right under there where you can basically interact with people commenting on your pages on both Facebook and Instagram, which I think is really cool. From the messages area, which is surprising, I just found that out today. So great. So we've already pretty much talked about our post page. And a cool thing is you can also set up auto responses. It's really cool if you want to make sure your clients always have an update or response when you are not able to respond. So right over here, you will locate on the sidebar, the ad center. Currently, I'm not running any ads, but if in the case that I was, I'll be able to view how they're performing on this page. If in the case you do want to set up ads, you can use this and you can run ads right from Facebook, and it's pretty easy to set up. I'd recommend checking out the requirements and things and that such, because Facebook is really big on reading truthfully and making sure that you follow their directions, and they will ban you if you don't. So it's either you do the research or you hire someone like me that can do it for you so that your account don't get banned from doing ads. So lastly on this tab, this is the Insight tab. Right over here, you have the overview. We're greeted with a trends tab. Right side is Facebook. Left side is Facebook. Right side is Instagram. Blue is Facebook. Pink is Instagram. Once again, you can change the time for what you want to view, and you can also switch your accounts if you have any other ones from that top area. In the middle of the page, you are greeted with your content page. This pretty much shows, a glimpse of your content. This shows basically your most interactive content or the highest numbers of the content for that field you are trying to sort by. So let's say, for example, I want to view likes and comments, and I switch. If I want to view just comments, and I will switch. If I want to view website clicks, I can also switch. So at the bottom, you will see the audience. Left side is Facebook audience, Facebook likes. The right side is Instagram followers. Left side blue, right pink. You can click on get audience report, and you will be greeted with a more advanced look at what your audience is, what make up your audience. So I think this is really cool because all of this data you can export. So I think this is pretty cool because you can use your data for other research and to build other campaigns. So we're going to click on the content tab. Once again, you are greeted with your content left to right, seeing pretty much the newest to latest. And also it also displays what content has done the best. And at the bottom, you will see that same view of basically showing you, hey, this is your content and this is how it's performing on these different platforms. And once again, you can set up those fields so you can see what you want to see. Once again, you can also export this data, which I think you should do if you want to take a look at how your social media is performing. Lastly, we're going to go to the trends tab. This is pretty cool because it gives you an overlook on how your page is performing overall. Blue, once again, is Facebook. Pink, once again, is Instagram. All right, and I think that about covers it. So thank you for tuning in to my intro to Facebook Business Suite. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, or you can inbox me on Facebook or send them to my DM on Instagram, Or you can even go over to my website at -CP Media and also email me from there. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a great day. Sincerely from your digital marketing strategist, Dash.